Latasha T. Raghov, and today I am going to be interviewing my mother, who is a nurse. In today's time, mental health is something that is often ignored among students. And today, from the perspective of a healthcare provider, we are going to understand how important mental health is among students and how media can play the role in spreading awareness. So, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sangeeta Rathod. I'm from Goa Medical College. I work there as a staff nurse.
Okay. So, from your experience in working, how common are mental health issues among teenagers today? And what do you think are the causes and the reasons for stress and anxiety among students?
See, in today's world, there will be a lot of stress in teenagers. That will be mainly, I feel, due to parent expectations also. In today's world, parents expect a lot from children. They want their child to be successful in life. So, obviously, they'll have high expectations from their teenager child. As well as there will be socially also they will be feeling insecure. So, that also. Plus the academic expectations. So, and plus there will be lack of emotional support also in children maybe. So that's why the teenagers may be having these may be the causes for mental stress in children.
So, in your opinion, how does mass media help in spreading awareness among students?
Mass media can always help, I feel, in today's world to for the teenagers to cope up with the stress. I feel they can help by showing or spreading awareness in children by they can show some real stories. They can show some professional expertise on the mass media platforms, as well as they can distribute pamphlets or some articles in the schools, as well as for the parents and for the teenage children, and they can I think they can do a lot through mass media.
So, as a nurse in today's generation, what message would you like to give to teenagers who are actually going through stress and anxiety due to all the things that you mentioned?
I feel teenagers will obviously be under a lot of mental stress. They should always think that, but they shouldn't feel alone. They see this problem will be there in all the teenagers, so they should not feel that they are alone coping with this mental stress. They should open up. They should talk to their parents. They should talk to their friends, as well as teachers, or some professional help they can take, and they should try to cope up with this. And they shouldn't take a lot of stress. I feel they can take the help of the mass media, as well as they can. There are many ways. I think they can take expert help also, and they can try to cope up with it. So they shouldn't feel they shouldn't think that they are alone to have this mental stress. I feel so. This way they can cope up with this.
Okay, so I think we'll end the interview here. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing your experiences and insights on this topic. Your perspective as a nurse helps us understand how important mental health is and how it is viewed and how important it is and how the role of awareness is there. Your interview has been really helpful. Thank you so much for it.
Thank you for